Hello, lovers of good food. How are you all doing? Welcome back to another exciting video. Are you lover of samosa? Come close so that I will show you how you can make your homemade delicious yummy samosa with just your flour, pinch of salt, and a little bit of oil, any vegetable oil of your choice, just a little bit. Okay, guys. So before we continue, if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. This is Vivian Recipe, and all we do on this channel is cooking, is food. Okay, guys, I try to upload once or twice a week, but for now I'm uploading once a week, every Friday for now, because I am busy. So if you are new, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more updates. To all our returning subscribers, thank you and God bless you all. I appreciate the love and support. God bless you guys. So as you can see, I started mixing my samosa wrap already. Okay, I'm adding water bit by bit because we don't want it to be too soft. Okay, so you have to control the quantity of the water. Okay, it's very important so that it will be easy to roll out when it's time to roll it out. So at this point I was ready, I was done mixing. So I just set it aside for a few minutes. Then this was few minutes later. I divided the dough. I tried my best to make sure that each was almost the same size. You understand? Yeah. So it's time to roll it out. So I'm just adding a little vegetable oil on the surface. Then I will rub in the vegetable oil. Then I will sprinkle some all-purpose flour. Okay, because we are going to be laying one after the other. Okay, so that it will be easy to pull out later. That was the reason for the oil and the flour, so that it will be easy. So maybe you understand what I'm trying to explain later if you don't understand it. So just continue watching. So I repeat the same process until I will be done with all the dough. So at this point, I brought out all the dough, as you can see. So I'm going to flatten everything. Okay, we do it, we lay it out one after the other, one on top of the, I don't even know what I'm explaining, but I know that you guys understand what I'm trying to explain. So I'm just trying to flatten everything. Okay, so by this time my frying pan was already on the gas. So I discovered that it was too big for the fry pan, so I have to change the fry pan. So here it was too hot. I supposed to have done it in a medium heat. That is why this one on top was very dry. Yeah, so in case you want to do yours, make sure you put it in a low, between low and medium, okay. Yeah, it was only the one on the top that was dry, the rest was okay. So at this point, this was few minutes later, so I just want to use it so that I can cut it out. I want a very perfect round shape. That is the reason for this trimming. Okay, Yeah, this perfect round shape is what I'm looking for. So the next step is just to, just pull it one after the other. So you see the reason why I was rubbing in some vegetable oil. This was the reason, so that at the time to pull it one after the other, it will be very easy to, to separate. Yeah. So this is time to cut it. So I just try to mark it so that I will cut it to 2 equal parts. After cutting, I will place one part of it on top the other part, because I'm still going to cut it again. Yeah, like so. So I'm going to try to mark it so that I can cut to 2 equal parts again, like so. Yeah, I'm done cutting. Look at that. Yeah. So the next step, I'm just going to prepare my filling for my samosa. So for the filling, I use some fish, carrots, a little bit of mayonnaise, and a little bit of ketchup. Okay. Yeah, so I will just mix everything properly together. Then it's time to start the wrappings. Look at how fluffy it looks. Guys, I really love this. I really love it. This is my first time of trying it. So this is the time to start wrapping to get that shape of samosa. So just the way you see me doing. So I mix some just a little bit of flour so that I can be able to seal it properly. Just flour and water, nothing more. Yeah, like so. Just flour and water to seal it properly, like so. Well, just in case you have a better idea on how to fold it properly or how to wrap it properly, I don't know if that is correct. So you can as well leave the instruction in the comment section. But for me, I think this worked perfectly for me. Everything was very easy. It was fast. So, and everything came out really well. Yeah, just like so, you know, like so. That was it. That was how I did all. At this point, I was done wrapping the samosa. It's time to fry. So the oil was very, very hot. So I later put it in a medium heat. Yeah, guys, this samosa, I'm going to be doing this recipe every week. My kids eat it as if their life depends on it. They love it. They were asking for more, more, and more. Guys, it really came out nice. Let me know what you think, guys. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Share this video, leave your comment, and subscribe. God bless you. See you soon in another video. Bye, guys.